Hello, I'm Piyush Dave, a fintech professional, and today I'm going to talk about the moving average ribbon based algo trading method. Now, this is a very interesting method because it uses the multiple moving averages like fast moving average, mid level of the moving average, and the slow moving average. For the fast moving average, we consider only 5 candles. For the mid level of the moving average, we consider the 10 number of candles. And for the slow moving average, we are going to consider 20 number of candle price changes. You can consider different levels also, like instead of 5, 10, 20, you can consider 10, 20, 50. This way you can change the value like this. But for my algo, I have considered 5, 10, and 20, changing the price. Okay, now what is the meaning of ribbon alignment? So when you want to trade with ribbon alignment, we are going to check only two conditions. Whether the fast value is greater than mid or greater than slow, then we consider it's a bullish alignment. And we are going to trade upside. When the fast value is less than mid value, less than slow value, we consider it's a bearish alignment. And we are going to trade on a downside. So in the first logic, we are going to collect the price from the market. Around 20 price we are going to collect. This price collection you can consider for 1 second, you can consider for 1 minute, you can consider for 15 minutes or 1 hour. It's up to you. So you need to collect around 20 prices. From first 5 prices, we are going to calculate the moving average of 5 different bars. This will help us to understand the short-term trend. Then mid-term trend can be calculated with the 10 number of bars which has been collected from the market. And for a strong long-term trend can be understood by the 20 different prices which has been collected from the market and which help us to understand the long-term trend. So we are going to calculate the 3 different moving average for 5 number of bar, for 10 number of bars, and for 20 number of bar. And this moving average is number of price, like 5 prices divided by number of reading 5. For 10 number of prices, 10 different prices divided by number of reading, that is 10. 20 different prices divided by 20 number of readings which has been taken. So we are going to calculate the moving average for 5 bars, 10 bars, and 20 bars. Once this moving average is available to us, we are going to trade based on fast, greater than mid, greater than slow, long-term trend, or you can consider a long entry. Fast is less than mid, less than slow. We consider a short entry. Let me consider an example for you. So these are the 5 different prices which are changing. The sum of these 5 prices divided by number of reading, that is 5, so 96. Similarly, if this price are number of price which we have collected from the market is number 10 readings. So 10 is total of this 10 reading is 995, divide by 10, 99.5. Similarly, suppose we collected 20 price from the market, the addition of this 20 price is 2000, divide by 10 readings, that 20 readings, the average is coming as 100. So for this case, fast is 96, mid is 99.5, and slow is 100. So the fast is less than mid, less than slow. We consider, okay, it's a short entry for us. So we are going to take a short entry based on the ribbon alignment. Similarly, if we get the target prices, we are going to end up the trade, or if the alignment get changed, if this logic get reversed, like if any one of the condition is not been satisfied, we are going to come out of the trade. Or the logic is entry, if we get 0.5% of the profit, we are going to end. SL is 1%. I kept SL in the particular trade as 1%. Or if this trend also change, like if this mid value or slow value change during the trading, it is going to come out of the ribbon alignment. That means it will stop trading. Okay, so let me show you the exact algo, how it actually works. So I created algo in a very simulation environment so that we can able to understand this in a very better format. So this is a file which has been created as an exchange file. Okay, keep on changing the price so that we can fetch the price from the market. So this is a base price which has been continuously changing. I have no control over this price. So this is keep on changing, like it's from coming from market, so that we can fire our algo on this and take a help of understanding how the ribbon alignment works with this change in price. Okay, so I have started my what we can consider exchange, and this exchanges keep on changing the price continuously based in every 2 seconds. Okay, I kept the change in the price of 2 second loop because I just want you to show that the price is changing. Okay, now I start a algo which has a ribbon alignment. Okay, we have considered fast, mid, and slow level of the cycle. So now, once the algo is started, it is keep on collecting the prices. So up to 20 prices, it is going to collect the price. Okay, so let me align this for you. Okay, so this is my algo and this is the exchange file. I have no control over this. I'm collecting a 20 prices from the market. So we need to wait until the price has been collected. See, the market price change in every fraction of second. But additional delay has been added in this environment so that you can able to see what is happening with the market. Okay, now fast, mid, and slow range is been calculated. The capital which is going to use is 1 lakh rupees. We have got a long entry because the ribbon alignment has taken place. So we have got the long entry, and you can see once the long entry has been taken place at 1007, we get the realized and unrealized profit or loss. If we get a loss, automatically the trade is going to end at 1% of the loss. Or if the alignment change, then also we are going to end the trade. So 1007 I think is an entry of the long because there was a ribbon alignment. So I'll go and check the ribbon alignment and it has taken the long entry. So I think we are going against the price. So the stop loss is going to trigger for sure. Okay. No, its stop loss is not been triggered because still the price is 10. Okay. Unrealized profit is minus 500. Every 100 second we keep on checking our PNL also, so that we get an idea whether it is going in the right direction or not. We have the long entry at 1004. Okay, let's see. The ribbon alignment has changed, but still the trade is been on. The reason behind, we have not stop loss trigger. So stop loss is 1%. That means 1000 rupees or 1100 rupees. 1100 rupees is a stop loss. So still the stop loss is not been triggered. The price come above certain value, 5 points above the value, then we are going to stop the trade. So 1007 was my entry of the long because the ribbon alignment has shown. Okay, the logic is we have no emotions, no greed in the trade. Okay, it's the price is continuously changing, and as per the rule, it is trading. The unrealized profit is in front of you. We have not realized any loss or profit till now. The market is trading in certain range, so that's why it's not triggering even the profit target or the loss target. So we need to wait until either the stop loss hit or the profit has been booked. So the price is in very particular range. See, the beauty of this recording is I'm not changing anything in this. This is a random price change. I have no control over it. It might generate a price which is a range bound. It might generate, okay, we have the stop loss trigger for sure. Okay, we have got one stop loss. The short entry has been taken because the ribbon alignment has been changed. Okay, the short entry has been taken at what value? Okay, 994. Okay, the ribbon alignment has changed to the short. So 994 is our entry. Okay, we got one stop loss because the market trend on a negative side. See, the beauty of the algo is I have no control over the change in price. I have control over my algo logic. Okay, we have one stop loss trigger. That's completely okay. I kept a complete stop loss like this. If there is a stop loss of 5% of the capital, the algo is automatically going to go stop. I keep on running this algo for more than what we can say. Okay, we have booked one profit of 700 rupees. Okay, currently, okay, we are again in a short position because the ribbon alignment is still down. So we have taken one more short position at 988. Okay, we have booked the profit also in that short position. So you can see the realized profit and unrealized profit again. We have got one more short position, I think. Okay, the position is on, yes, because the ribbon alignment is still down. So we have one position open. See, there was a one stop loss trigger, two profit book. One stop loss trigger, two profit book. Realized profit is 100. It's completely okay to book the loss. We have no greed, no fear in this trade. Okay, stop loss trigger again, it's completely okay. So the long ribbon has started because the slow, fast and mid long ribbon is been triggered. We have long entry, currently no profit, no loss. That means 992 is our long entry. We need to keep on doing this trade continuously. The best part is it's keep on tracking, keep on tracking the value, keep on tracking the value, keep on tracking the value, and we have one short entry. Okay, okay, we booked the profit. Okay, long entry was there, sorry. We booked the profit. Currently, the realized loss is minus 300. Okay, we got one more entry at long 997. See, after 100 seconds of summary, okay, stop loss trigger again because the price has flicker like very fast. No alignment, no trading is happening. We are in a current loss. Okay, again, we've taken one more trade. So you need to keep on running and checking what is happening with the trade. Then you can put this into the live environment. And you can keep running multiple algo at the same time. Okay, we have taken one more profit as 600. Okay, we got one more short entry because the ribbon alignment has again taken place. So the short entry is at 984. 984. I intentionally created a delay in the change in price and change in algo so that you can able to see what is happening with the market. Okay, we have one more profit. Again, the ribbon alignment, we have entered into short trade again. You can change, modify small thing as per your requirement. I'm just waiting that if it book one more profit, then I can stop the video. Okay, it's going against us. It's completely fine. See, the beauty of the recording is I'm not changing anything in the algo. It's working as per the logic. So we have short entry currently. So let's see whether, okay, stop loss trigger. It's completely fine. You got one long entry because the ribbon alignment is on the upside. Keep on doing this, keep on doing this. And okay, we got one more Okay, we took the profit at 600. See, once you feel like, okay, it's uh, okay to stop at one level of profit or one level of loss, then you can always take a decision. But I keep on running this algo so that I can get a good back testing result. And while taking a trade, it will really help me. Okay, we have took one more profit, one more long entry. So currently there is no profit, no loss is happening. Okay, we have one long entry at I think 1000. If it booked the profit, then I'm going to stop. Some keep on, I'm waiting for the realized profit to come positive, to be very right. Okay, we got one more profit and the realized profit is positive. So keep on doing this, keep on doing this. See, we have seen the negative part, that is almost multiple trade of loss and multiple trade of profit also. And at the end, when we stop this algo, we get the summary also. So currently the realize, okay, see the summary. Long entry has been taken, there's a stop loss, profit. And we keep on doing this for a longer period. Like in the market, if you have observed carefully, it was a very range bound market. Still, it has performed in a positive way. So all possible trade has been taken and it works very beautifully. Suppose you don't want such kind of a flickering, then you can increase the number of cycle to 5, 10 or 22, 10, 20 or 50. So less number of trade will take place, but it can run for a longer period of time and you might get a more profit also. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much.